Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check in on British Airways online. So all you have to do is head over to britishairways.com and you should be redirected to the British Airways webpage, and all you have to do is scroll down until you see the check-in button. Just click on this. So once you're done booking a flight, you should be able to receive a booking reference. So it's a 6 character code that can be found on your confirmation email. So all you have to do is enter this in this typing box, and next thing is of course add in your last name that is the same or that is shown on your booking. In here, you also have an option here to give consent of the passengers in your group to manage this booking by checking on this button. Then once done, just click on check in online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!